Hello and welcome back to your own channel Indian Defense Analysis, where we bring to you all the latest development happening in the defense sector.
Today, we are going to talk about the development of two indigenous platforms which is related to armored vehicle and artillery gun and is a big boost to India's Atmanirbhar initiative in defense sector. Indian Army has inducted first set of indigenously developed next generation armored engineering reconnaissance vehicles AERV on Tuesday. The vehicle has been designed by DRDO and manufactured by Ordnance Factory Medak and Bharat Electronics Limited Pune to meet the tactical and combat requirements of military engineers. It will help them to carry out terrestrial and underwater surveys in hostile terrains. The AERV can also carry out reconnaissance of water obstacles and bogey patches for execution of engineer tasks. The vehicle will also provide combat engineering support for offensive and defensive operations in plains, desert, and riverine terrains. The vehicle would be a major game changer in support of mechanized operations such as tanks and other armored platforms in future conflicts. The Kalyani Strategic Systems Limited (KSSL) has proved its mettle again, with Defence Minister Shri Rajnath Singh unveiling indigenous multi-terrain artillery gun Mark developed by Bharat Forge on Tuesday. But unlike any other artillery gun, this one has a unique feature. It is the world's only 155 mm 39 caliber gun system that is mounted on 4x4 sturdy and high mobility vehicle. Bharat Forge has broken the conventional barrier that nothing heavier than 105 mm could be mounted on a vehicle, as mounting a heavier gun on an HMV would render it unstable. This gives the artillery gun a unique and in true sense the capability of shoot and scoot, meaning it can immediately move away from the location from where the shots were fired to avoid the counter battery fire, which improve its survivability. Talking about its technical specification, it is 155 mm 39 caliber artillery gun mounted on 4x4 HMB. It is a go anywhere gun with gradient negotiation of 30 degrees. The weight of fully kitted gun is 18 tons and is capable of firing complete NATO standard and in service ammunition. Its capacity to carry 18 rounds with Zone 5 ammunition on board, which is yet another important feature as it carries limited amount of ammunition with itself. The gun can quickly be deployed in 1.5 minutes during day and 2 minutes in night. The gun can fire at an elevation of -2 to +72 degrees and can traverse 25 degrees left and right. The gun has 3 rates of firing. In burst mode, it can fire 3 rounds in 30 seconds. In intense mode, it can fire 12 rounds in 3 minutes, and in sustained mode, it can fire 42 rounds in 60 minutes. The firing mode of Mark is same as that of Israel's Ethos gun, but slightly less than 80 AGS. The actual range of gun is not disclosed but is expected somewhere around 30 kilometers, which is less than 80 AGS, but its shoot and scoot capability is what makes this gun truly special.
This was today's update. Please let us know what is your views about these in comment section. Feel free to post your comments and suggestions about any topic related to defense sector on which you want to hear from us. With this, I would like to say goodbye and Jai Hind friends. Please like and subscribe our video if you have not done already. We will be soon back with more interesting and amazing development happening in defense sector.